WCCUSD School Locator. Do you know how to find your homeschool? There are 2 easy ways. Let me show you how. 1. The Our Schools tab. Start by visiting www.wccusd.net. Select the Our Schools tab, then select School Locator. This is the online school locator tool. To find your homeschool, type in your address and hit enter. These are my elementary, middle, and high homeschools. 2. The homepage icons. From the homepage, scroll down until you see the icons. Select School Locator. This is the online school locator, again. Repeat the same steps to find your homeschool. I got the same ones. Thanks for watching.